Greetings to all Jamaicans. First of all, let's give thanks to the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I, Jah Rastafari. We would like to take this moment to add our voices to the topic relating to the Jamaican High Court allowing schools to ban children of Rastafarian faith with locks from schools.
First of all, let us introduce ourselves.
I'm Emmanuel Downey and I'm 13 years old.
I am Shiloh Downey and I'm 11 years old. Our dad is born in Jamaica and our mum is born in Italy, and we were born in England. We are children of Rastafarian faith and we've been growing locks since birth, and I don't think we would recognise ourselves without them.
Buju Banton would say, I am a Jamaican. We too are Jamaicans. But unlike Buju Banton, my passport I do need to show, because I do not have the full Jamaican talk or the full Jamaican walk.
As we said before, we were born in England and we lived in different places around the world. So it's only normal that we take things from the place that we've lived, such as accent. Children learn what they live. We are telling you this so you understand where we are coming from. We lived and attended school in England and we lived and attended school in Italy. These two places are called the head of Babylon Church and State, the Queen and the Pope. Fuoco! Just to let you know, fuoco means fire in Italian.
Attending school in these countries, we have never had any issues with the school authorities about the locks we carry on our heads. So for Jamaica to make a ruling against natural hair in the land where Rasta was founded, after Rasta has shined so much positive light all over Jamaica, all over the world. This is something that we cannot understand.
Shame on you, Jamaica High Court!
We are both children who do quite well in school. We both speak two different languages fluently. We both take part in the school choir and various school activities.
Being children of Rastafarian faith with locks has never stopped us from being full members of the school society. We are Jamaican citizens, and we as a family have been thinking to move to Jamaica, mostly for us as the children to live and attend school and learn more about our Jamaican culture firsthand and seal the trinity of our roots. This would be a shame if this would take it away from us.
Today we are calling on the Prime Minister, the Honourable Andrew Holness. We are also calling on all free-thinking Jamaicans to stand with their voice or any other lawful ways against this decision.
Just how we stood with the Black Americans in Black Lives Matter, let's stand with our own Jamaican Rasta children. Remember, they are black also. Rasta, Black Lives Matter.
Remember, the children are the future. The future is now.
Shame on you, Jamaica.